Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code from your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the plus icon to open up a photo from your gallery. Once you open up your photo, you will be taken into the edit menu, from which you will be able to make various different edits to your photo. You can use the styles as well as the tools menu, and from the tools option you will be able to edit in details. Once you are done with editing, if you wish to create a QR code, click on the option at the top section alongside the info button. You will now see the QR look option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on create QR look. This will now create your QR code. You can tap on the share button, and now you can simply share your QR code with your friends. And there you have it. That is how you can create a QR code from your photo on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.